Welcome to another quick video. We've managed to sneak a weekend away, and we're down at Perron Estate, which is just 5 minutes from Brunswick Junction, about 15 minutes from Bunbury. Booked it on HipCamps, and so far it is great. Lots of kangaroos in the paddock, and so much space. Little addition to our camping trip this time that doesn't normally come with us, normally stays home, but our teenager had better things to do this weekend than look after Ruby. So this is Ruby. She's a Maltese Shih Tzu. Say hi, Rubes. She's struggling a bit with the whole concept of camping, spending most of her time really wanting to get in the car and go home, I think. But maybe she'll settle down a little bit. That's the closest caravan to us, over there, the other side of the paddock.
There's lots of carp in this dam, and you can catch them with the nets that are provided. We don't seem to be having much luck. Right, it's time for another episode of Cooking with the Crooks. So tonight we're having a beef Rogan Josh. You can see we're going for the camp oven over the hot coals. Oops, that's too much work. And we're probably cheating a little bit. We're using Spice Taylor rustic Rogan Josh. Better keep that rather than chuck it on the fire. Hopefully my oil is heating. The fire's pretty hot. Spices. Alright, once that's all sizzling, I'm going to chuck the meat in. Do you want the oven gloves? I think they once belonged to a welder. So we've got the pan hot now, so now we're just going to chuck some beef in. As you can probably see, I've got the pan a lot lower than I had it before. wasn't getting hot enough. I noticed the pan isn't on the fire at the moment. I think I'd flattened it out too much and the fire went right off. So the camp oven is on our little burner outside. Hopefully we'll get the meat brown and the onions in and the rest of the sauce, and then we'll get it back on the fire. This is now the base sauce going in. We've added some veggies, some tinned mushrooms, champignons, and some coarsely chopped onion. And this should start to smell good now. And good news is, get the shadow out of the way, the fire's going better. So a few more minutes and we'll put it back on the fire just to simmer. We've got it back on the fire, it's simmering nicely. Just gotta wait for it to cook, and we've got a Peshwari damper to do in the camp oven as well. Alright, well, dinner is going well. Not far off being cooked now, about 10 minutes. Damper is looking really good. Just gonna raise this up more high as it will go. Had this tripod for my 50th birthday off some good friends of ours. Andy and Tina, if you watch this, thanks, it's awesome. Alright, dinner is served. So, Rogan Josh, Peshwari damper, which will be interesting. Homemade poppadoms, which I conveniently put in a bag, and what a spot for dinner. 5-star dining, even if I do say so myself. Right, that's enough filming, I'm gonna eat. Update, it's absolutely really good. Better than I expected. The Peshwari naan, he's got a Peshwari taste.
It's not naan, it's damper.
Damper. And the curry is brilliant. Anyway, see ya. And don't forget, if you like our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us on Instagram at Crooks in a Caravan.